up, guys? Listen, I don't know if you ever noticed, but when you buy bulbs for your car, especially halogen bulbs, you always wonder, oh, what one is the best? What one is good? The thing is, they're not that much of a difference between them all, but I think let's buy the cheapest one we can find, and then on to the expensive side. Okay, so when you're going to change your bulbs, you're going to want one thing, and it's this, the Michael Jackson little cotton glove. This is only because you don't want to touch the bulbs with your skin, because they do blow. Other than that, let's see the two bulbs we have. I went into Midas and I got these HID Xenon Superstar. Oh, you know that's gonna be good. That was $100. Cheap, but still, it's those bluish ones, and you see them all over the place. The other one is this Halogen makers. Ooh, yes, look at that. That is spec. That is 12 watt 55 watt. That is spec. That is what it's supposed to be. These ones are 100 watts, so I don't know how they are gonna last, but let's see how they are to change. This car's fairly easy. I mean, honestly, it's one of the easiest jobs you can do on this car. I'm gonna start off putting those blue ones in, and then putting in the more expensive ones and see what the difference is. The car now has Osrims. I'm gonna take the Osrims out. Let's first look how the Osrims look. Okay, so I'm gonna turn the lights on and then see how the lights reflect off the wall, and I don't know if we can walk it, but let's give it a shot. So that's the Osrims. We've got that nice, well, it's more of a yellowish tinge, but more of a yellowy color. Right, they look good. And they look nice and okay against the wall, I would say. Let's mark the Osrims with I don't know what. Let's mark the Osrims over there. The Osrims are now below that grey line there, and they are more yellow. Okay, so we're going to swap these out, and it has this little circle. Now the one on the left hand side, if this is the right hand side bulb, that one opens the access port for the bulb, and there the bulb is. It has a little bit of a chrome silver lock fitting, and to get to that fitting you just need to press it down across, and it will come out. First you obviously have to unplug the bulb. You have to unplug the bulb and then let that silver clip just push that out and take the bulb out. Do not touch the bulb with your fingers. You see the glove holds it nicely, and then put it one side. We are going to try first this little cheapos, the Superstar HIDs. Let's just put those in and let's turn it on and give it a bit of a test. Ooh, I can already see a bit of a problem. They are not as bright. They are not as bright. They are around about the same height, but they are not as bright. Oh, they look cool inside the bulb though. Much whiter than the dims. You can see that's actually much whiter than the... Okay, already we can see that is much dimmer. Cheaper bulbs, yeah, they are much dimmer. Let's swap them out for the Daymakers. And already we got a bit of a problem. I just pulled them out now, and look how swollen they are. They're so swollen. I just had them in there for a few minutes, and I did not touch them. You guys saw I did not touch these. So obviously they must have been touched in a factory or something, but they are done. They still work, but I think I'm not putting them back in my car. Back in the flipping package. Check, the other one is swollen too. I'm not going to care as much for these because they're cheap. So, and let's look at these, and oh, look at that! Look at that, that one's swollen too. So wow, that ain't gonna fly, bro. That is not gonna fly. Look at that. It's actually quite swollen. I did not touch these. So are they worth it? I'd give that a no. They're not worth it. They're not worth it. Okay, I just put the Daymakers in. Let's see how they look. Ooh, yes, already. You can see they are much brighter. They are much brighter than the bulbs and the chibi bulbs. And let's see how they look. Also a much whiter much whiter tingy to it. It's very good. It's very good compared to the dims. They are much yellower, but I'll prefer having halogen dims in a car than the LEDs. LEDs tend to flash. But well, here's my recommendation. If you want really good bulbs, and if you want really good bulbs, the halos are fine. They also day night breakers. So those are actually also very good. They are pricey. These are the halos are about 270, 280 rand. I think I paid 275 rand for these at Midas. I don't know how much they are at other places. And the night breakers are at around 300 something. They are a little bit more pricey, but they are whiter. I had them in my previous car and they are very good bulbs. They never fused on me. We'll see I have to see how long these last. We'll have to see how long these last. But they are very good. I highly recommend day makers, and they are much better. But you really see the difference between a cheap bulb and a more expensive bulb. So rather spend the money and have a better bulb. Treat your car well, you know. Buy the cheap stuff if you don't think anything of your car. But the more expensive stuff, highly recommend it. Hope you guys like this little bit of an install and comparison. It does work for me. I think I'm going to leave these in here and see how long they last. Or I hope they last long enough to you know, make the 200 odd rand worth it. Cheers guys, I hope you like this one, and let me know if you want to see any other installs. Well, yeah, that's about it. See you guys in the next one.